Hey Roxy, wake up. Roxy, wake up. Wake up. Ugh. She sleeps so dead. Roxy, you need to wake up. We have school. Roxy! Wake up. We have school.
My best friend, my G, I'm a charge. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in nobody. Go best friend. Yeah, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Hey Roxy, wake up. Roxy, wake up. Wake up. Ugh. She sleeps so dead. Roxy, you need to wake up. We have school. Roxy! Wake up. We have school. I'm gonna go get ready. Good morning guys. As you can see, I'm all fresh from my shower and all that. Alright, so I didn't get to properly greet you guys this morning because, you know, this basically is how my sister and I, we basically get ready for school. And today I have a meeting with the event planning committee, so I will show you guys some of that, right? But now let me get my makeup done. Let me tell you what time it is now. So it is 8:02. So it's 8:02 now, and yeah, and I have classes. Well, my classes start at 9. Yeah, and my meeting is at, I think, 10:30, 11. So yes, I have my first class at 9, and then meeting, then lunch, and then I have some more classes. But for that, let's start. Alright, let's start with the makeup process. First thing I always do my eyebrows. So basically always do my eyebrows. And I already primed my face. So yeah. And then I go in with my concealer. As you guys saw earlier, I'm kind of breaking out. So I'm trying my best to use all my acne treatments at night. I have my night spotting treatment and all of that to keep my face looking pretty and all that. What we're going to do, we're basically going to do a natural look because we're going to school and Jamaica is hot. Jamaica is very, very hot. So a natural look is the key right now. So basically when I finish my eyebrows and I finish conceal my flaws and everything, I will go in with my powder. And I usually use 2 different powders to basically set everything. And as I said, it is school makeup, so I'm not doing a lot at all. And this will basically be the look, but I also do my lips. And sometimes what I do is that I give myself a bit of wing liner. Then I do my lips. Can be caught in the street with them dry lips. And then I'll go in with my glitter. This is glitter, not really glitter, it's shimmer highlighter. It kind of highlight your nose, you know, a little bit of shiny to the nose. And sometimes I went into here where my eyebrows are to make it look more highlighted. That's all I will do. And this is the look. Then I'm gonna basically do my hair now, and I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm gonna have my breakfast. So yeah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
When I'm finished dressed, I have like basically final touches to my look, which is my earrings. And I said I'm dressing that this way because I have a meeting with the event planning committee, but I usually do dress more business casual because I always end up being swamped in meetings. And we have the Valentine's Day event coming up, so we have meeting in regards to that. Alright, so now I'm going to have my breakfast and then I go check on Roxy to see if she's up and ready to go to school before it gets late and all that. Hear my belly. Right, so I'm gonna go have my breakfast, but this is my look. And I usually do straighten up my bed a little bit. A little bit before I go out. But yeah, as I said, this is the final look. And I'm gonna have my breakfast now. So our mom made 2 piece for breakfast, so that's basically what we're gonna have. She made stew peas soup. Okay, and then I usually drink tea, but since I'm not up for it, I'm having, this is the thing that I use when I'm not drinking tea, I'm having bigger ginger beer. So I'm gonna pour it in my cup. Alright, so let's go ahead to the living room so we can watch some TV, play on our phone, and then we can leave out to go to school. So yeah, I don't know what time it is right now. Maybe it's 8:30 now, but I have class at 9, so let's go.
Honor to meet you, Dr. Possible.
You know me?
Your recent paper on the application of lasers in subcranial exploration was fascinating, and the photograph did not do you justice.
Invite him over more often.
Mom, I've got to find a missing scientist.
Good luck, Kimmy. Have fun, kids.
Wait, did you get the data?
Got it. A holographic simulation of the missing professor's home.
Cool. Hey, Rufus, Wade's gone 3D.
Big fingers. These people need pictures. You, Big Daddy. I've already examined the crime scene.
I haven't. Wait, enlarge the point of entry. Explosive method of entry. What's that?
Can't tell. Oh,
Roxy, you need to hurry. We're gonna be late for school.
Good. Now let's try to fill in the blanks.
Running extrapolation.
She's in the bathroom, guys. Roxy, you need to hurry. We're gonna be late for
Many
school.
people golf.
If you don't hurry and get out here, I'm going to leave you
Didn't show up in any online
because I have a meeting today.
Oh yeah. Gardening, botany, experimental
can't hear me because she's in the bathroom. And our neighbor is
three years in a
going to
row.
fix his house.
Goodbye, Wade. This is pointless. The man was obvious.
I'm late for school, so I'm taking a banana and I'm having some orange juice because I'm late for school, so let's go. Roxy, I gotta go. Anyway, I have to leave you, okay? So guys, yeah, I have to leave my sister. She's gonna make me hella late and it's already 9 o'clock. That means I'm late for my class. So I gotta go, guys. Alright? So, yeah. So this is it. No, it's not it. I'll see you guys at school. I'm gone, Roxy. Bye!
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out